Hello, my name is Samir Dogadia. I am from Gujarat. In this video, I will discuss about clean air. So let's start it. We are living in the planet Earth. It contains an atmosphere which has 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. We are living in troposphere. It contains O2, N2, CO2, argon gases, and also H2O in the form of gas. Stratosphere, which contain O2, N2, and O3. We human can't live without the air. We know very well about it, but we always make it dirty by polluting it. So, what is air pollution? Air pollution is the presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the human's health and also to other living creatures or cause damages to the climate. Air pollution caused by burning fossil fuels and releasing harmful gases and chemicals into the air. Air pollution also caused by greenhouse gases, which come from vehicles and industries. They increases the temperature of our earth and also change our climate. CO2, CFC, CH4, N2. These are the examples of greenhouse gases. There is another type of air pollution which is known as a smoke. Smog is caused by moisture, pollutants, dust, and smoke. Due to the smoke, we can't see anything, and there are a number of accidents happen in many countries over the year. Air pollution caused many problems, but there are many diseases caused by air pollution. See, lung cancer, asthma, cardiovascular problems, shortened lifespan, and COPD. There are some technology solutions for air pollution, like electric cars. Electric cars are eco-friendly. Another is giant air vacuum cleaner, which is invented by Dutch scientists, and it is used to make the air clean. Another is a smog sucking tower in Beijing. It is used to suck the smog. But such type of technologies take some time to get their position in our market. But we have to take some easy steps to make the air clean. There are some easy steps that should be followed. First, plant more trees. Because trees inhale CO2 and exhale CO2 O2 in the environment. Second, service your vehicles regularly. Third, there are some technologies that should be used in factories. Let's take an example. Electrostatic precipitator. It is used to remove dust and smoke from the gaseous stream. Another is scrubber. Scrubbers, there are two types of scrubbers: dry scrubbers and wet scrubbers. And it is used to remove pollutants from the gaseous stream. So such type of technologies should be used in factories and vehicles. Fourth, we should use public transport for all places. Like if you want to go from one city to another city, and in our city, if you want to go from one place to another place, we should use public transport, and government should make it compulsory. The technologies which are used in cars should also be used in public buses, so that many people travel through public buses. Let's take an example how this step can decrease air pollution. Think in one city there are many cars and bikes which always plies on the road. There are 5,000 cars which plies on the road per day. If we replace them with public buses, we can see this picture. We can see an abatement in traffic, in cars, in bikes, and also we can see an abatement in air pollution. So by using public buses, we helps our environment. We make our environment more strong. At the end, I only say you that close your nose with your fingers. You can see that we can't live without an air. If we can't live without an air, we should be serious about air pollution. Thank you.